area that we've already cleared starts to become uncontrolled. Crazy. I hate ticks.
Our first year on YouTube has been quite the journey, and as we reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, I wanted to take this time to not only thank those of you who have joined us, but also to look back on some of the things that we've learned, and later to talk about the future of our channel moving forward. But for now, what is Airsoft University really about? Well, it all starts with a healthy dose of weapon safety. I guess if we're going to keep this up, we better make sure that we include lots of repair and maintenance tips too.
Good as new.
Of course, we can't forget about all the gear that we need when we're out on the field, and how we can optimize it. Modding our guns can be fun, and we'll help you make sure that you're getting the most out of your attachments. Once you're ready for a match, we'll have lots of tactical advice on how you can improve your abilities within CQB and many other environments. It can't be all work and no play though, so there will always be room for experiments. That way we can really test the limits of this sport.
Oh no! Oh, they weren't lying when they said deep penetrator. Is that sunlight I see over there?
Learning from our mistakes is very important too, so through gameplay videos we can dive into common tactical mistakes and how we can be better prepared for our next battle. In the past year, we've done a lot together. We've laughed.
That block, it moved. Oh yeah, you grabbed that.
We've learned. Use your eyes to acquire your new target first, followed up by moving your gun to align with your vision. And we've improved ourselves. As the saying goes, education really is a lifelong journey, and we hope that we can help you make the most out of it.
Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Allow me to introduce you to the Airsoft cornershot 5000.
So in the future, you can expect us to keep exploring deeper into these topics, in addition to always trying to show the world what an amazing sport Airsoft is.
I literally can't even see that.
And what they might have been missing out on. We're also planning on doing live streams so that we can have more direct communication with you while we're training in the field or simply repairing a broken magazine at the workbench. No matter what though, we're in this together, and it's thanks to all of you that we're even able to celebrate this milestone. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for supporting us and for making this all possible. I appreciate every single one of you more than you know, and I can't wait to keep building up this amazing community that we now have. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Class is dismissed.
Please wait for plane. Oh yeah, just take your time, buddy.